Hi, hello dearest and strangers alike. So I'm going for another walk and I'm just going to share a little family video, same old thing. I'm just appreciating life best I can, especially when I have bad dreams and my whole world is upside down, but it isn't. You gotta focus on all the good things and just keep going, right? And I love my family. I love the place I live. Look at this beautiful land. I walk here all the time. It's gorgeous. I really appreciate having a place to walk to get to like shake off all the negativity that life can bring. Yeah, the sheep are getting fed, getting some food. You're so cute. You're so cute. We're all going for a walk. It's the first time I convinced them all to come with me for a walk. Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. You enjoy going on a boat?
Yep.
Cool. What kind of boat was it?
I really don't know. But it was a small one.
And we're going for a walk. School's gonna start in a week, I think. Maybe 2 weeks. What?
Are we gonna go back?
No, don't give up yet.
Other people could have different smells. So like good ones and bad ones.
Yeah. Go back to the park here. The baseball field's back here. And there's like a soccer field over there. It's a pretty big park.
Good, thank you.
This is called chicory, and I like to drink chicory coffee at night. It's not really coffee. And my birds love to eat the little flower buds on them, especially my canary. Zoe's gone for a walk. She's on her way back. Are you enjoying the walk, Zoe? It's all right.
If they're not best friends and they're just pets, I will call them food. Any type of food or drink.
Okay, we're headed back. Four.
You know, I tried to save up to it, but by the time it came out, it didn't work. I barely had to play the game. Just go.
I'm masked up to go bike riding. He's gonna get some air in the tire. We're gonna go for a little ride, maybe go shop for some groceries or like vegetables and stuff. Just checking the tire pressure. It's the beautiful trail we're on today, Lochside Trail. All the bikes are here. Pretty busy. Yeah. Getting pretty busy here. A lot of people are hanging out. We're on the bridge here. And just driving through, making our way over there to root cellar to get some vegetables. Okay, so we did a bit of shopping here at the root cellar. Look at those oranges. I didn't buy any of those.
Extra flesh there,
Maybe I
Steven?
should have.
I might just, yeah. Yeah, I'll, yeah. Alright, that's right there.
Those are bikes. Clean. My hubby. It's a really pretty spot over here. There's some cows down there. That's Mount Douglas. They renamed that mountain to something else that I can't pronounce, so it's Mount Douglas to me still. Our trail is back here. Guess someone's dealing with the weed over there. Okay, so we finished our biking trip and now we're back. I'm gonna put the veggies away and then maybe we're gonna go for our nice swim.